In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy product link on 1688 using Google Chrome 2025. If you source products from 1688, the fastest way to share an item with a teammate, an agent, or to log it in your spreadsheet is by copying the exact product link. That link is the precise address of the product page, and using it avoids confusion, broken redirects, and screenshots that don't tell the full story. Start by opening 1688.com in Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is ideal because it makes copying from the address bar simple, and it often offers built-in translation. Even if the page appears in another language, you don't need to change anything to copy the link. Everything you need will come from the browser's address bar. Next, go to the specific product page you want to share. Make sure you're on the product's detail page, where you can see the images, price, variations, and seller information. Avoid stopping on a search results page or a store homepage. Those pages won't point to the single product you intend to share. Now copy the URL from the address bar. Click once in the address bar, and the entire link should highlight. If it doesn't, press Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac to select it. Then copy with Ctrl+C or Command+C, or right-click and choose Copy. This method is the most reliable because it grabs the full, direct URL to the product page, not a shortened or temporary link. Paste and use the link wherever you need it. Drop it into your chat with an agent so they know the exact product you mean, or paste it into your spreadsheet to keep your sourcing organized. This approach is best for agents and spreadsheets because it preserves a one-to-one reference to the item and can be opened later without hunting. A quick tip: don't worry if the link looks long or includes extra characters and numbers. That's normal for marketplace pages, and it will still load the correct product. Keep the link intact. Trimming or altering it can break the connection to the page. For clarity in your notes or spreadsheet, you can add a short description next to the link, like color, size, or minimum order quantity, so your team knows what to check when they open it. If the link doesn't seem to copy, make sure you're clicked into the address bar and that you're on the actual product page. Using the keyboard shortcuts to select and copy is a dependable fallback. That's it. Open 1688 in Chrome, open the product page, copy the URL from the address bar, then paste and use. Simple, accurate, and ready for sharing.